Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel ITU 24/7 where we talk about troubleshooting, latest apps and trends, social media and much more. In today's video we'll show you how to create your Snapchat profile through the browser. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to the Google web browser and type Snapchat sign up. After that, what you'll have to do is just click on the first link that says sign up Snapchat Ads Manager. Tap on it and you'll be directed to the Snapchat sign up page. Now what you'll have to do is add your first name. After that, just add your last name and set a username followed by a password. Try to remember the password because through this password and username, you'll be able to log in your Snapchat account. Now after that, just enter a valid email address and enter the date of birth. Just enter the month, day and year. Scroll down the screen and you just have to tap on sign up and accept. Okay, there's another problem. It says the email address is already taken. So make sure that you're not using the email address that's already in use. Avoid this mistake and I'll now type another email address. Now click on sign up and accept. Hold on a second, let it load a bit. Till the time I'll just check the details and that's it. This is your Snapchat account. Just scroll down and it says welcome to Ads Manager. What's your business name? Just skip ad creation, tap on it, and after that you are signed in as whatever is your username. So do you want to make this your business public profile? So I'll just click on create public profile because obviously you don't want this to be your your business profile. After that, just hold on a second and you can see, just tap on close, you can see your Snapchat public account has been created. You can use it now. Just fill in these details. These are your personal details to update your profile and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below to receive all the latest updates. Thank you.